Hello and welcome to today's episode of TSARP. I'm your host, Andrew Weir, and today our co-hosts are Sam and Steven.
It's Friday.
Hooray!
Hooray. That intro might have been a little messed up. I accidentally misplayed the intro video with the intro music, but we're still working on it. It's a this week edition. I feel like I've only gotten it right once this week. But yeah, so as you see in the title, we got two main topics to talk about today. The new Python IDE update came out. It's a really cool one, so stay tuned to hear about that. And Meta, or whatever you want to call it, Meta, brings Horizon Worlds to mobile and desktop. Basically,
Wow.
They brought the metaverse to your phone. Which I don't really get why that's the metaverse anymore. I thought that was just supposed to be VR, but
That's my phone verse.
Yes, exactly, Steven. So I don't know. We'll start off with, of course, Meta. Basically, the title gives away what we're talking about. But yeah, so apparently you can play the Horizon Worlds on your phone. It used to just be on the Meta Quest, Oculus Quest. I still call it Oculus Quest. But you used to just be able to play it there. I never played it. I have one. I never did. Steven, don't you have one? Have you played it?
Yeah, I have the Quest 2. I tried it out one time, and I'm like, this is kind of boring.
Yeah,
But it was like closer to when it was first released.
Yeah, I know. It's of course it's still in beta. But yeah, there's a ton of other games that are like the metaverse. I mean, there's what is it? VR Chat,
Chat. Yeah.
Rec Room, all
And then
those.
there's like Rec. Yeah.
Yeah.
They're fun.
They are good, and I feel like
Did you say rec room?
Rec Room. Shout out to Rec. Not really. Callback. But yeah, so there's a lot of different alternatives that people find better. It's really up to whatever you like to play, whatever. But now it is on your phone. I feel like Rec Room was on you could play that on your phone too. So they're copying copyright infringement on their own device. But yeah,
Wow.
so if you guys are long time players of Horizon Worlds, now it's on your phone. So our second main topic today, also one of the most anticipated, I guess, since like the end of summer, really. We've been waiting for another update to come to the Python IDE beta. We knew they were working on something, right? Kidoyo doesn't go ever without working on something. And we were just waiting to see what it was. It wasn't in time, I guess, for the first day of school, but they got pretty close. So today they released a new update to the Python IDE beta. It is where you can share screenshots of your code, really good looking screenshots. You can add in a time, an icon, a name, like your name, your username. It's really cool. So I'll show you what that looks like now. So you can just go over and select the code that you want to share. So like I'll show, if I have a print statement down here, what should I say? I got hello TSARP up there. Hello world, just a simple hello world. Close off those quotes. Okay, if I don't want to share the hello world, all I have to do to just share the hello TSARP is select it and then right click, and then this pops up for me. I don't know if anyone has problems with this. What I normally do is I just click a random button and then it goes
I
away.
like seeing my code.
I didn't see that happen.
Oh yeah, it doesn't happen for you guys, just for me. But anyway, so there you have it. The code is all right in there. You can click export image, or you can include author info, and you get this nice little bar down there. You can even remove the name if you just want the avatar. You can see it. Time and author. I'll add that back in because I like that. And you can even add a memo like this is a print statement. There you go. Forget about that spelling error. But this is really good for classes like teaching, right? Because I've been working a lot with our 8th grade class me. I've been working with myself. No, I've been working with the whole grade and how we're teaching them. And this is going to be really useful because it's just a great, clean way to share your code. Now I can export the image, and it's not going to show up if I open it, just because that's how the stream works. But yeah, so that's really cool. So I could send this to anyone I want, put it up in a Google Classroom or something like that. Even if you have image posting permissions on Kidoyo, you can post it there. Mentor Jinx did that. But I don't know. I wonder if you can enable that. Is that like can schools toggle that on for students? I'm not sure if that's how it works. But that would be.
We have it in our school.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
hope so.
don't have it in the community yet. We might be able to toggle it on. The reason it's not on by default is purely because of memes. People would spread way too many memes on the wall, and that is just not what people want in a school setting. But it is a great way to share code. Of course, there is also the code sharing feature down here where you can insert your code, but this is another good way to do it. Now, maybe the next update that could come is you can share this image, but not other ones, right? So I can go up here, and because I have really cool powers, I can insert an image. But obviously, like I said, they don't want everyone to have that because memes would go wild. But if they could have even, like, if you went into the IDE again, and then you just clicked on share, or the same way, even if you were in this menu, and you clicked on share code snippet, there's a little button like post to wall, and then it would bring you back to the wall with this image, and you were only able to post that image. I think that would be really cool. Also, can you... Oh yeah, you can. I didn't even notice you could edit the actual text in this window. So it's a really cool feature. I'm really happy they added this. This is the first time we've ever seen something like this in the editor, and it's going to be really great for like debugging code. You know, if you're like, hey, I can't figure this out. Here, friend that knows Python better than me, here's the image. Can you figure this out? Of course, you could always do the old school way of just taking a normal screenshot, but it doesn't look good. That one's really cool.
I think at least I'm hoping they add that to Scratch or Hatch, because I think that'd be like, really cool.
Yeah, also, I mean, obviously, the Python IDE beta, still in beta, they might add in features, take out features. It's also kind of like a playground for them, right? So they can test features, and if people really like it, they can add it to the other ones. The Java editor, you know, the C# editor. A lot of the editors are very similar. The ones that really stand out, though, obviously a lot, you're going to look at this when you're in an editor. But the ones that really stand out are like the Java editor, the Python IDE beta, because they all look a little different. So they might slowly implement it in something like the Java editor, but not the C#, you know, or whatever it is. But hopefully we get that, like you said, Sam, in like Hatch or something like that, because it really is a cool feature.
We should definitely add that to Sprite Editor.
Yeah.
That'd be funny.
Wow.
At that point,
Yeah.
we'll just add it to like
Everything. When I'm ready
Scratch Junior.
in the badge page, right? Oh, people need to see this badge that they can see by just sharing the link. So I got this is mind blowing. This is like this is how you know that your work is appreciated. Okay, so we've been talking about the lo-fi stream for a few days now. What I said, we launched it 4 days ago, and I mean it's been really cool. We love using it. Of course, we're gonna like using it. But it's just a stream where you can listen to lo-fi music, and it's TSARP branded, and there's a cool space animation. Go check it out after the stream if that interests you. But we've been trying to send it everywhere, share it with a bunch of people. And today I walked into Mr. Ferrara's class, and he's done this before. So, you know, I walked in, and he was playing the stream. I was like, great, you know, people are loving it. It's fantastic. Okay?
I like it.
And then he said that one of these students actually requested it. One of them said, "Can you play that coding music because it helps me code?" Boom. That's how you know. Student certified. The students love it. You must love it too. So go check it out. I'm not going to put the link in stream. You can click on our profile after the stream is over. But yeah, it's great. It helps you focus. It helps you code better. Helps you debug code. So whatever works for you. Try this out. If you're, I say this all the time on different things, but if you're stuck debugging that code and you can't figure it out, maybe try to listen to the lo-fi stream. It might work.
It has worked for about 5 years.
Yeah. Lo-fi
Actually,
is
10
no,
years, Sam.
lo-fi is not a new thing. It's just new to us, and we say you should use ours, not other people's.
Because ours is superior.
Exactly, because it's made by. Why didn't we put this in the title? Why isn't this a
Made by
tagline we've been
coders
using?
for coders.
Exactly, made by coders for coders. Fantastic.
And student approved.
Student
Great idea,
approved.
Sam.
Mr. Ferrara
That sounds-
approved. Professional.
This sounds kind of like the Razer what's that
Tagline?
thing? Slogan.
Yeah, made by gamers for gamers, or for gamers made by gamers. Yeah, yeah, that's a great tagline. We gotta start using that. The other thing, of course, it's been known. Everyone knows about it. The Eric economy. It's hard to say as one word, but yes, Eric Bucks, a fantastic invention. Well. It's going well. I mean, it's really successful. Today was payday, so everyone inflation rose through the roof, because now everyone has their Eric bucks.
I never got paid though. So that's
Me neither.
Well, you didn't do any jobs. You gotta do jobs. If
I
you,
cut money.
I helped Sam cut
yeah.
the money.
So the way it works is, if you do a job in his class. Pizza Coder says hi. That's Pizza. Oh, and then he said bye. That's Pizza Coder's
Oh, wow.
first appearance in the TSARP live streams. We keep saying to him, "You gonna watch? You gonna watch?" No. He said no. The answer is no. But
He
yeah.
did watch though.
So you can do some jobs, on like as side jobs or a contractor. What's the word I'm looking for? But small jobs, just one-time jobs, and that's what we've been doing. That's how we get our Eric bucks. But if you're in Mr. Farrar's class, he just gives them out. You can have a weekly job like pushing in everyone's chairs, or like turning off everyone's computer, something like that. I forget. He's got a bunch of them. So that's how you actually earn the Eric bucks the right way. Or you could just steal them from people, which is probably not a great idea. And
I
the
tried,
Eric
but
police
he
might come
beat me down.
after you. So it's going well so far. Oh wait, what was that?
What is that supposed to
I didn't
mean?
hear. No, you heard nothing. Yeah, I mean, TSARP. I said this to Mr. Ferrara, and he called us out on it and said it was wrong. But I said TSARP's the largest holder of Eric bucks, and he said, no, my class is. And I was like, well, they don't call them one, like that's like if I said Earth was the largest holder of Earth.
I mean, technically, it is.
It
It's the
is,
largest holder of people.
but like TSARP, we banded together. We have one place for all our money, and we're the largest holder of Eric bucks. But according,
I'm not sharing my
Mr.
money.
Ferrara's desk is the largest holder.
yeah,
of
I
Eric.
guess you're right. Well, we're working on it. I said we should create some type of scheme. I was saying we should make the TSARP savings bank. And this was my genius idea. It was going to be like a crazy interest rate, 50% interest. Okay, right? It sounds great, 100% interest. Yearly, I know, insane. But the catch is you can't have that money for 10 years. It's like a bond. Actually, can't you? I don't know. Yeah, but that's the idea. And then people in 10 years, if they want to get their money, well, we probably would have enough in 10 years. But they can't. They won't find us. We'll go incognito. But yeah, so I was thinking of stuff, but we might come out with the TSARP Bank, the TSARP Holdings, invest in TSARP with Eric bucks. Yeah, that's a good one. Wait, we should sell shares of TSARP for Eric
This
bucks.
is the
That'd be funny.
brainstorming stream.
This is great. But yeah, it's successful. Let's put it that way.
Mhm.
So, our final, no, I always say that. Our second final topic for the day is. I forgot that we have Kidoyo passports left. We have what, two? Two? Yeah. I think two left to give away. Yeah, we got them last year. We gave one away for out brackets as a prize, and we have two left that we can give away to people. So I don't know. How should we do it? Do you guys have any ideas? I didn't tell Sam and Steven that I remember this, so I'm
I
putting
don't
them on the
know.
spot.
Uh,
We could just.
what if
I'd have to think about that over the weekend.
what if like at the end of the streams when we like rate the games, whoever has the best game at the end of the month gets it.
I feel like that's just a game jam, and we could do that.
Oh,
That's not a bad
yeah,
idea.
but, you know.
But soon enough, hopefully dark mode game jams would start up, and I don't want to be in I don't want to have two running at the same time. Like in Hop Hog, we have in brackets and the regular Kidoyo game jams, and like that's a lot for people because they're trying to create two games at once. If then we had a TSARP game jam, it would get complicated. So maybe that's not a bad idea. That's why at the end of our episodes we play people's games, but it's not a game jam. You get no prize. You just do it for fun.
Wow.
But it's not meant you're making a game for TSARP. It's just if you made a game and you want to share it, you can. But yeah, that's not a bad idea. I'm thinking, I don't know if we just. Yeah, do we do one giveaway and one competition, right? Because maybe, it's kind of like we can't, the Kidoyo Passport teaches you how to make better games, and if you can only win it because you make good games, it's kind of not, it doesn't, then people will just be stuck without it and not be able to make good games, and the people that already do, and already have that
confused.
knowledge don't need it, Sam's gonna say no.
Me too. I'm confused.
The
Relatable.
idea is, right, if someone doesn't know how to code something, Kidoyo teaches them, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But if they don't have access to Kidoyo because they have no Kidoyo passport, we couldn't run a competition to give them one because they're stuck in a loophole. It's like a loophole, not a loophole, a loop where it's a cycle. So maybe we do one competition and one game jam, something like that. I think that would be cool. But however we do it, it will be fun. I just got to think of a good way to give everyone an opportunity, because if we just did in one TSARP episode, okay, first person to comment, or someone with, we'll randomly pick from the stream. If someone's busy that day, they're totally out of it. So it's got to be a large window of time. It's got to be easy to enter because we don't want to hold anyone back. And it's got to be interesting idea, like a very, very enticing idea. People want to do it. Yeah, enticing.
I get it.
So if you guys have any ideas, you can comment it in the stream right now if you want to, or later, maybe on Spotify, I'll put one of those Q&A things where you can leave your suggestions. But I think that leaves us with our last topic of the day, last segment, really, playing Sam's game. Ugh,
Hi.
the
So
band.
made a
is
game
it now
too.
only my game? Is that it?
Oh wait, did you make a game, Steven?
Yes.
Steven made a game. Okay, this is gonna be great. Okay. Well, I have two games to play. Let's see. Which one should I do first? I feel like Sam's gonna be really painful. You want me to do Steven's first?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do Steven's. I was gonna say get Sam's out of the way, but let's do Steven's. Let's see
I'll
what he
post a
gave
link.
for me. Yeah, post a
Mine's
link.
going
Thank
to
you.
be fun.
Okay, a game for Andrew. Who's that? By Steven Tola. Let me click the green flag. Oh, it looks very similar to Sam's. Okay, this is scary. Guess the letters,
Oh.
get a score of at least 10. What letter do you think is the first letter? Okay, so am I just is it a random letter? Is this gonna form a word? What is
It's
just
a random letter.
W? Change. It's all the
You
same at the
got it.
same time.
I got
How?
A.
What?
Are
Are
No,
you
I got
cheating,
A.
Sam? Oh, the stream's buffering.
Buffering?
Is it? I'm fine with it.
No, I don't think it is.
Really?
I'm looking on my side. It shouldn't.
That's weird.
Well, it's definitely quite an interesting concept, Stephen.
I'll give you a hint.
It doesn't.
Click off the text box and hit up, up, down, down, left, right.
Well, now it's cheating. E C
Oh wow, look
B
at that.
I. Wait, is that an L? No, is it an uppercase I? What happened? Is that a 1?
What?
I. Uppercase I. L.
I think
Oh,
it's
it was an
an
L. I tried an L. Okay. O J F M N A T G. Oh, what? Oh, it's gone. Oh, you only
Guys,
need to
I
guess
have
10
negative
letters.
64.
Wait, did I beat it? The text box is gone, Steven. It's good.
Yes, you beat it.
Wow. Oh yeah, score at
You
least
normally
10.
don't see that big list, so it'll say you won. You guessed 10 letters.
Oh, I did
By
it.
the way, if you guess
Oh,
incorrectly,
wait, no.
your
I
score
thought I did it.
goes downwards.
I have negative 64.
Well, it's quite an interesting game concept here, Steven. So yeah, it's the same every time, so I can guess. Okay. Well, it's definitely easier than Sam's. I can tell you I can win it without help. Not easily, I could, but it's a lot easier than Sam's.
Thanks.
Yeah, oh wait, I do have so I have gone to. Okay, yeah, I'm already winning. I'm already doing well. I've already
what
got a
if
score of 2.
implemented a part where it takes 1 away from your score every time you guess wrong,
This
but
is like the
I
perfect
didn't
difficulty.
feel like it, even though it's adding 1 block.
Yeah. No, no, this is perfect difficulty. I've already gone at a thing of 3. Now, the problem is here now it's just a spamming game. I mean, Sam was too, but Sam, you were spamming because you knew you weren't going to get it. You were just spamming to spam. But, well, should I beat it? I'm already on 3. I should really just beat it. It might take a little while.
Just beat it.
Wow.
I should add a part where you can choose the difficulty.
The difficulty?
Difficulty.
Mm.
Difficulty.
Difficulty. Why haven't I gotten this yet? I've pressed like every letter.
Or have you? Have you pressed every letter? What if I added
Is it numbers?
those little special characters?
Up, down, left, right. Oh wait, I gotta click off. Up, down, left, right. It's an I. I didn't click I. Well, Steven, your game. I gotta rate it now. On the difficulty, I realized I probably should have been rating difficulty on like how much I liked the difficulty and not on how difficult it was. So now I'm rating it on how I like the difficulty, and I think it's it could be a tiny bit easier. So it's an 8.5 out of 10.
That's pretty good.
Congratulations.
I'll take it.
Okay, now the artwork. Okay, I gotta give this is good artwork. Nice text. Okay, the Eric is amazing. The word choice, what letter do you think is the first letter? The choice of grammar and punctuation, fantastic. I gotta give the art, I guess I'll rate that as a separate, but the artwork on its own, solid 7 out of 10. I think it,
It's not fair.
the text, the grammar specifically, it adds character.
This is rigged.
But it might be a little hard to read for some people. 6 out of 10.
I'll take it.
Oh darn.
Is that everything to rate? I think. Oh, I got closer to beating it than Sam's.
Isn't it creativity?
So, different.
Not creative at all.
Creative. I think it's creative. Sam's, you just had to guess one thing, but Steven, you got 10. There's a
Wait,
score. You can
I
earn a
have-
score. That's feature on its own is
I
good.
should add a high school teacher.
Yeah, creativity, I give a good 8 out of 10. Add that up, and that's what you get. Okay, we got Sam's game
Andrew.
left. Yeah.
Can I get credit for Steven's game since I helped him with the code?
You
Sam,
helped
you
them with
got-
the code? Was this
Yes,
this
I
was
did.
a team effort? You want what? What did you want?
I want
You should give
the
him 3 points.
I want 10% of that.
Okay, you get 10% of that. You
Nice.
just have to calculate it. Okay, here we go. Andrew, have fun with this, bucko. This is hard. LeMayo. Okay, here we go. Eric! Exclamation mark, question mark, exclamation mark, question mark, exclamation mark. Let me click the green flag. Whoa, this is some artwork. We got some crazy text there, crazy colors. You changed the background. Eric's here. This is fantastic. Okay, the code looks
This
simple.
is giving me an aneurysm.
No, Steven, that's not how it scientifically works, but okay. Guess the random number from 0.0000, I'm not saying that, to 1.00000.
Adding the zeros after the
So I'm guessing it's all decimals.
Yeah.
It's unlikely it will be 1 or 0, is what you're saying.
Yes.
Okay.
And I'm
Extremely
pretty sure you
unlikely.
have to add all the zeros for it to count. I'm not.
Oh my god.
I think I'm gonna check this right now.
Sam, why did you make this game like this?
Wow, okay. Yeah, the decimals matter. He, LeMayo. Okay. So I'm guessing, does it change every time, or is it just...
Every time you get it wrong, it changes.
Oh, okay, good. So, really, I could get this... Oh, but
Okay,
you...
so
Wait, would the number be 0... Like, is it gonna be 0, or 0.000000?
I checked. It can be 0,
Oh, okay.
technically.
Because you're checking the math, or you're... Yeah, I guess you are, right? Yeah. That's how it works. Because 0 equals 0.000.
Mhm.
That's how math works.
Patches buggy,
Zero
so I
is
didn't know
infinite.
at first.
Yeah, I see what
Zero
you
is
mean.
longer than my life.
I'm doing
Wow.
real well here, Sam. Why can't there be a score? Can you score me on something?
You just get negative.
Oh. Yeah. So I guess the artwork. The artwork is Sam's what's the word for it? That's what he's known for, you know? He's known for his artwork. I think the text definitely improved. It says more more roof. Okay. Spelling is definitely something here too. Eric is fantastic. The background's great. Yeah, the text is really something.
Andrew, I'm sending you an updated version of this.
Oh, you
I'm
changed it?
scared.
What did you
I
change it?
invited-
I haven't even rated this one yet. No, that's for tomorrow. I'm not looking at it.
No, please.
What is it?
I beg of you.
It's just an
Keep it.
updated. Did you make it harder? What happened?
Did you click the green flag?
Yes, I did.
Wait, nothing's popping up. Oh, there's a score now. Yeah, it shows.
Oh. And then when I go 0, 0, there. Why can't I click enter? -1. Fantastic. What's the score for winning? Sam, you lied.
1.
You lied. You know why?
Oh, that's not the code.
That's
One
not the
second.
code. Sam,
That's not
cheater.
Sam.
Cheater. Automatic 0. I rate this game.
Rigged.
On art, I give him, it's burning my eyes, but I guess that's a good thing. So I have a reason for not beating this game.
How was that a good
I don't know. I also realized, did you have a remove.bg error right here?
Oh no, that was on purpose because it's funny. It is an error, but I kept it in.
Oh, okay.
just because
So-
it's funny?
Yeah, I rate the artwork a 5, the text a 5, everything a 5 because it doesn't matter, and the cheatingness a -1 million.
Can you please check one final time?
No, not at all. I rate the
Yeah.
cheatingness a 1,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,000,0
Good.
Sam, it's still negative.
Yeah, it's still negative. You probably want to add that all up just to double check. But thank you both for participating in today's fantastic TSARP Not So Jam Game Jam.
Hooray!
This was quite something. I feel like I really have to stop playing these games. They are quite painful. I say next week, maybe we change what games
No.
are being played.
The genre of games.
Yeah, I feel like these next week,
That was impossible.
I might
platformers.
only accept. Yeah, that would be better than that. Okay, impossible but not like impossible.
Geometry
Just
Dash.
difficult.
No,
Yeah,
impossible.
I say I cut it off. If anyone makes that game, well, thank you all for watching today's dramatic game jam. Oh wait, this was a TSARP episode. Just got confused for a second. Yeah, so thank you all for watching. We will see you on Monday, 4:30, with the latest TSARP news. We will see you then. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
But we can't see them. We're not in person.
I can.
I
What?
can. I see through the screen. Bye-bye.
Bye.